Hi, I'm Teresa Feliciano. I'm a graduate of Liaison College, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you the best banana muffins ever. So today we're going to start out with the dry ingredients. Now, the method that we're going to be using today is a technique called the muffin method, and basically all it is first you mix your dry ingredients, and second you mix your wet ingredients, and then they come together until they're combined. So we're going to start now with your dry ingredients. I like to sift my ingredients together. So we have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and just sift those together. And what this does is that it makes sure that all of the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the muffins. Okay? So now, if you would like, this is just a basic banana muffin. However, you can choose to add some peanut butter chips or some chopped nuts. Now today, I think I'm going to go with the peanut butter chips. And if you're going to add extra ingredients to your muffin mix, now is the time to do it. When you place it into your flour, what happens is that it coats the flour coats the chocolate chips, which then, during the baking process, the chips don't sink to the bottom. So we'll set that aside for now, and then we're going to now combine our wet ingredients. So what we want to do is we want to mash the bananas, and once you just mash them a bit, you want to add the sugar. It makes the batter very nice, loose, and moist. So the next step is 1 beaten egg, lightly beaten. And 1/3 cup of butter. Now, if you wanted to substitute oil, you can. However, the butter adds a very nice flavor to the muffin. Now, once that you've just casually mixed that, what you need to do now is just bring back your dry ingredients. Now, this next step is a very important step. What you don't want to do is overmix your muffin batter, because what will happen is that your muffins will be very tough, and when you open them up, you'll see tunneling. So what we want to do is just add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, and you just mix until combined. Now, it's okay if you see a little bit of flour, but you want to try and just make sure that everything, the wet ingredients have touched everything. So there you go. So that's the way that your mix should look prior to you putting it into your muffin tins. Now, I prefer to use a silicone muffin tin. I find that it comes out very easily, as well as it caramelizes your muffin very, very nicely. As well, this recipe will make 12 small muffins or 6 to 8 large muffins. I prefer to go a little bit larger. That way you get the nice muffin cap. See, there you go, beautiful, it's perfect. So put your muffins into a preheated oven at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes until the muffin is golden on top. Now what you can also do, if you'd like, is add a few pecans to the top or walnuts, whichever you prefer. So after 20 minutes, we remove the muffins, and as you can see, they're very nicely golden brown on top. And how you know that they're done, you can just touch the top, and if it just returns a bit firm, then you know that the center is done. Now, if you prefer, you can also use a toothpick, insert it. If the toothpick comes out clean, then your muffin is good. So these are beautiful and nice. I want to cut it open for you so that you can see that in the center of the muffin, it's very moist and delicious and caramelized. The chips have melted and there is no tunneling. So this is a perfect muffin. So enjoy.